Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start a Nissan Rogue Sport. First, gather your safety gear, like gloves and eye protection, to protect yourself from potential hazards. Ensure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral. It's also crucial to turn off all accessories, such as lights and radio, in both cars to prevent electrical surges. Now let's connect the positive cables. Take one red jumper cable clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of the dead Nissan Rogue Sport battery. Then, take the other end of the red cable and connect its clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Make sure these connections are firm and secure. Next, connect the negative cables. Attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. For the other end, find an unpainted metal surface on the engine block or frame of the dead Nissan Rogue Sport, away from the battery, and attach the second black clamp there. Do not connect it directly to the dead battery's negative terminal. With all cables connected, start the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to charge the dead battery slightly. Then, try to start your Nissan Rogue Sport. Once it starts, disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First the black clamp from the ground point, then the black clamp from the good battery, followed by the red clamps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.